So, hello friends, welcome to our channel which is Mathematical Adda, and we are going to start our next example, which is question number 5 of the chapter Trigonometrical Ratios. So first we will start by reading the question, which states that in a triangle ABC, right angle at B, if cot A is equals to 1, prove that 2 sin A cos A is equals to 1. So if there is no sign between these expressions, which is sin A and cos A, then it is considered to as multiply. So we will consider this as multiply. Now, as our question says that cot A is equals to 1 and there is a triangle which is ABC. Now our triangle is ABC, which is right angled at B, and cot A is equals to 1. So we will find the value of cot A. Cot A, the formula of cot A is base upon height, which is equal to, so let's consider as our base B, AB, and height BC. So our base is AB and height is BC. Now, if any fraction's value is 1, because it states that cot A is equals to 1. So if any fraction's value is 1, we can say, let's take an example of 2 by 2. This value will become 1 after dividing. 3 by 3, its value will become 1 after dividing. So if any fraction's answer will come 1, then we will say that both the values are equal, just like 2 and 2 were equal there. So we can say that AB is equals to BC if answer is 1. Now our AB is equals to BC, we can give this units such as AB is equals to BC is equals to X unit. We can take this as X. So now our BC is X, AB is X. Now we will find our side AC, which is hypotenuse of this triangle. So our hypotenuse will be AC square is equals to BC square plus AB square. Now the value of BC is X. Now it will become square. AB will become square and it will remain because there is no value of AC. Now there will be value of AC we will determine by adding, which will give us 2x square. Now it gives us 2x square, which is now mandatory, which is now the value of AC square. Now we will root this, which will become AC, and this will become under root 2x. Now we can say that the 2 doesn't have any root value, so we will write this as root 2, and x square has a root value which is x. Now we have found our value, which is AC is root 2x. Now we can find value of 2 sin A multiplied by cos A, which is equal to 1. We can prove that. By Pythagoras theorem, we have found our value of the last line that will help us to find that will help us to prove this equation. Now we will find 2 sin A multiplied by cos A is equals to 1. Now what will be, first we will determine that what will be our values of sin A. Now sin A is equals to, as the theta or the acute angle is A, we will consider this in this triangle. So sin A will be perfectly fitted in this triangle, and the value of sin is height divided by hypotenuse. So our height is BC, hypotenuse is AC, so it will become BC, which is x upon root 2x. X and x will get cancelled and we will get our value of sin A as 1 by root 2. Now we will get the value of cos A in order to prove this equation. cos A. The value of cos A is based upon height, which based upon hypotenuse, which is AB divided by AC. Now the value of AB is x and value of AC is root 2x. Now both values of sin A and cos A will become equal because cot A is equals to 1, or two sides are equal. So we have found our values of sin A and cos A. Now we will prove this equation to be true, which is 2 sin A multiplied by cos A is equals to 1. Now the value of sin A is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 into cos A value is 1 by root 2. So we will give here 1 by root 2, which will give us as the answer of 1. So now we have got this as our equation by multiplying and subtracting everything and doing this and that. Now we have got, so root 2 and root 2 will get multiplied and it will get us 2 into 1 by 2 is equals to 1. 2 and 2 will get cancelled and will be 1 is equals to 1. Now we have got our equation, which is 1 is equals to 1, which is LHS is equals to RHS. So we are moving towards our next question by solving question number 5. We are moving towards question number 6, which states that if tan theta is equals to 5 by 12, find sec theta and sec theta plus cosec theta. So we have to find sec theta and sec theta plus cosec theta. So now we will give an answer as tan theta is equals to 5 by 12. So we can write it as height divided by base. It will give us 5 by 12. Now we can write that height is equal to 5x and base is equal to 12x. Now we will name our triangle as A, B and C. Now our values are height is 5x and base is 12x. Now we will find our next line, which is AC square by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, the formula will be formed, which is AC square gives AB square plus BC square. Now we will remain the value of AC square as AC square because there is no value of AC, and we will give the value of AB square as 5x whole square plus BC square as 12x whole square. Now we will determine the value of AC square, which is 25x square plus 12 square is 144x square, which will give us the value of AC square as 169x square. Now we have got the value of AC square, which is 169x square, so we will get the values of both the values rooted. So AC will become 13x. Now we have find the value of our this line AC, which is 13x, so it will be easier for us to find sec theta. Now sec theta is equals to, the formula of sec theta is hypotenuse upon base and hypotenuse of our triangle is 13x and base of our triangle is 12x. Now we have found the value of sec theta as 13 by 12. Now we will find our value of cosec theta in order to find sec theta plus cosec theta. Now the value of cosec theta will become, which is height hypotenuse divided by height. Now our hypotenuse of this triangle is 13x and height of this triangle is 5x. X and x will get cancelled and we will get the value of cosec theta as 13 by 5. Now we have to find the value of sec theta plus cosec theta. Now our sec theta's value is 13 upon 12 and cosec theta's value is 13 upon 5. Now we will evaluate this by the LCM method. Now we are doing it with the LCM method. We will multiply both the numbers because we will multiply both the numbers in order to get our equation, which is 12 5s are 60 and this 5 will multiply here, 13 5s are 65 plus this 12 will multiply in 13 and we will get our value as 156. So 65 plus 156 is 221 by 60. Now it will convert into a mixed fraction, which is 3 whole 60 by 41. Now we have got our answer, which is sec theta plus cosec theta as 3 whole 41 by 60.